Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
On the road are 3 little cars. They're getting ready for a race. Little red car, go back a bit. Excellent. Now all the little cars are lined up in a row. On your marks, get set, go! Look how fast they're going. The little red car is overtaking all the others and driving round the loop-the-loop. Oh no, there's a hole ahead. Be careful. The little car has flipped over. Are you hurt? No, that's good. And there's the hole in the road. That's no good at all. We need to think of something. Little cars, where are you going? Cement mixer, be careful. Don't fall in the hole. Look, the little cars have brought some bricks. They're trying to repair the road. More bricks. Let's try to drive over them. Not very convenient. The little green car is stuck. But what if we pour little balls into the hole? Let's try that. The road is more level now. Who's going to try driving across it? The little red car. No, we still can't drive down the road. The little cars are off to find help. Helper cars, who can help us repair the road? The road roller, dumper truck, and excavator are going to work. First, they need to take the bricks and balls out of the hole. The excavator is carefully putting them into a box. There are lots and lots of balls and bricks. What's the dumper truck doing? It's pouring asphalt mix into the hole. The asphalt needs to be pressed down and leveled out. The road roller will make easy work of that. The road roller has a heavy cylinder at the front, which it uses to press down asphalt and level off the road. Great work! The little cars are so pleased that it worked. Thank you, helper cars. Time to continue the race. The puppy is announcing the start. On your marks, get set, go! And the bigger vehicles are going back to their garage to have a bit of a nap. See you soon, helper cars.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The construction vehicles are repairing the road. The dump truck is carrying a heap of asphalt. It's pouring it onto the ground. The steamroller should level out and flatten the asphalt. But there's a rock stuck between its body and cylinder. It won't get anything done with that. Someone should take it to get repaired. The dump truck definitely can't do that. It's going back to the garage. Who could help the steamroller? Do you know? The crane truck and tow truck are coming out of the garage. The crane truck is pushing out its arm. Hold on, steamroller. Let's get you onto the platform. Let's go. It's the repair shop. They'll get the rock out from under the steamroller's frame. Then it can get right back to work. It's a basketball court. The little cars are playing with a ball. They have to throw the ball through the ring. Missed. You have a go, blue car. Oh, wow! Good shot! The yellow car has thrown the ball very far. Ah! It landed right in the hot asphalt. No, you can't jump in there. The cars are stuck in the sticky asphalt. Can you help? They can't get out by themselves. Pull harder. Even that's not working. Crane truck, could you lend a hand, please? The crane truck is strong. He's pulled the yellow car out. And the red one too. Oh my, the little cars are very dirty though. They can't even drive anymore. The asphalt has gone hard. The car carrier has come out. It'll take the cars to the car wash. Put the cars on the platform, Crane. The yellow one. The red one. The ball needs a wash too. Look, it's the steamroller. They've fixed it already. He's here to finish the road. His heavy drum is flattening the asphalt. What a wonderful job! It's the car wash. Come down, little cars. Time for a wash. Those soft yellow rollers are washing the red car down. He's clean now. It's your turn, yellow car. Now you're clean too. The purple car is carrying the basketball. Now it's squeaky clean too. Let's go and play. The helper cars have finished all their work. Time for them to go to the garage. Thanks so much, cars. You can have a break till the next time.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are playing frisbee. Oh, the frisbee went so far. The green car is going to look for it. Meanwhile, an ice cream truck has arrived at the playground. Cars, don't push each other. There's enough ice cream for everyone. One cone for the blue car. And one for the red car. The truck is driving away, but the green car wanted ice cream too. Oops! Crash! Now there's ice cream and milk spilled on the ground, and it got on the cars too. Who will help us fix the truck and clean up the mess? The water truck, the garbage truck, the street sweeper, and the tow truck. The helper cars set off on their mission. They arrived at the scene of the accident very quickly. Hooray! First, let's clean up the spilled milk from the truck's fridge. The street sweeper will handle this. Tow truck, it's your turn. We need to flip the ice cream truck back up. The hook attaches to the wheel. And done! The water truck is washing the grass on the lawn. and the little cars are throwing the ice cream into the trash. If food falls on the ground, it has to be thrown away. The garbage truck collects the trash from the bin. Thank you, garbage truck. The kitten wants to help too. She's cleaning the cars with her tongue. No, kitten. Cars are cleaned with water. Water truck, turn on the water. The cars are clean, and the playground is too. Now we can make an ice cream for the green car. Oh, there are only cones left in the truck. And we can't make ice cream because there's no more milk. Let's go to the farm. These big tanks have a lot of milk. Let's fill up the fridge. Done. Now we can make ice cream. One ice cream in a cone for the green car. And ice cream in a bowl for the kitten. Enjoy! The helper cars are driving home. Someone might need help again tomorrow.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are playing hide and seek in the playground. The yellow car is it, and the others are hiding behind the blocks, under the trampoline, in the tunnel. Ready or not, here I come. Let's use the binoculars to find our friends even faster. There's one car. Here's the second car. And the third one. What's this? There's a storm coming. The pickup truck has noticed a strange storm cloud in the sky. It's starting to rain colorful hailstones. These hailstones are like glass marbles. Watch out, little cars. Oh, a crack in the windshield. The tractor's hood is dented all over. The hail knocked off that truck's bumper. They all need help. Quick, we need to tell the helper cars about the hail. The police car, tow truck, manipulator truck, and the pickup emerge from the garage. The pickup is carrying extra car parts. The hail has already melted, leaving colorful puddles on the road. Tow truck, over here. Please take the pickup to the repair shop. You too to the repair shop. Your headlight is broken. Tractor, your hood needs to be replaced. And for the truck, let's reattach the bumper. The little car will help transport the bumper to the repair shop. Let's go! Repairs begin at the repair shop. The pickup is the first to roll onto the platform. The manipulator removes the cracked glass. Let's put a new one in its place. Excellent! The pickup is ready. Who's next? A concrete mixer, a truck, and a tractor. The concrete mixer has a broken headlight. Let's remove it. Let's try to find a new one. This one doesn't fit. But this one is right. You're good to go. The tractor's hood has already been removed. It was blue. Let's attach the exact same one, only it's new and doesn't have dents in it. Now let's fix the truck. Here's its bumper. Well done, little car. Attach the bumper in place. Let's choose the paint. This one, orange. Perfect. The truck is ready to go too. The cars leave the repair shop. Goodbye. Now it's time to go play with friends. The helper cars can take a break now. Soon, they'll get a new task.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear. Beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The cars are playing with a ball next to the car repair shop. Oops! The ball has rolled under the door. You can't quite reach it. The cars have decided to open the door and go inside. Stop! You can't play soccer in here. Look! A tin of paint has fallen right onto the yellow car. Oh no! You've spilled the motor oil. The nuts and bolts have fallen. And now you've got a flat tire. The red car needs help. Let's put it on the platform. This wheel is right for you. Oh no! Now it's stuck! Wait, green car. You need to save your friends. Helper cars! You're needed at the car repair shop. It's a good thing these big cars are always ready to help. They're rushing to the repair shop. The manipulator goes in first. It can use its claw to grab the tires that have fallen onto the yellow car. Fantastic! Now the crane is going into the repair shop. It can use its big magnet to pick up all the nuts and bolts. Let's put them back in place. Street sweeper, it's your turn. It's cleaning up the spilled oil with its brushes. All done. The manipulator uses a paint roller to cover up the splashes on the wall. The wall looks brand new. Let's fix this shelf. The dump truck has brought a new rack for the tires and a cabinet. Let's put the rack over by this wall. And let's put the cabinet with the drawers here. Let's put the tin and the oil canister inside. The forklift arranges the tires on the rack. Who is this tire for? Oh, of course, it's for the red car. Now it can drive around again. Manipulator, could you paint over the pink splashes with yellow paint? Please? Of course it can. The car is all yellow again, with no splashes to be seen. Unbelievable! Cars, are you really playing ball near the repair shop again? You'd better go to the playground. The helper cars are going back to their garage. They need to rest, in case the little cars need help again tomorrow.